So recently I faced one issue in Amazon Fire TV, that the TV was stuck in the Amazon sign-in window, and I was unable to find the solution for this. No matter whatever I do, even if I provide a valid login sign-in ID and password, it doesn't go away from the screen. I press home, it stays at home for 1 second and again come back to this login screen. I go to Prime Video, again it comes back to here. I try to go to Netflix, it stays there, but as soon as I click home, it again comes back to this Amazon sign in screen. So whenever I click home button, it says home is currently not available, like this. And when I provide any sign in valid sign in ID password, it goes there, but it comes back again. No matter whatever I do, it is stuck here. So what was the solution for this? So this is actually the issue because I have installed Mozilla browser in the Fire Stick, and once my Amazon account got expired, it got stuck here. I don't know why. So the way you can reset your TV is by pressing the back button and the right button of your remote, and when you press it and hold it for around 10 seconds, then you see the message, okay, do you want to reset to factory defaults? Then you can click OK, and it goes back to factory settings. All of the apps and the data which you have in your Fire TV stick, like apps, not the pen drive of your TV, will get washed out. You have to install all the apps again. So I'm showing the method again, guys. You have to press back button and right in your remote, and then it gives you a message of if you want to do the factory reset. Back button and right, the instruction are in the video description as well. Back button and right button for 10 seconds, and hold it pressing it for 10 seconds, and then it gives you an option of boom, factory reset. Click OK, and you'll be seeing your beloved home screen once again. So yeah, my TV was in this state for around 30 seconds or 1 minute, and then it came back to again the language selection of English. So yes guys, this was the trick which I used to reset my Fire TV and get out of that login screen which was not going anywhere. So in case this trick has helped you guys, please subscribe. So there were a lot of when I was searching the solution for this issue, I used Google obviously and YouTube. Only a few videos were there regarding this issue. That's why I'm creating this video, to help you guys, so that what issue I have faced nobody should face. And there are instruction in Amazon website also, but they are not very clear. What you are looking for here is how you reset your Fire TV to factory settings. You can do it with remote and without remote as well, but the shortest possible approach which I find out here is that press the back button and the right button of your remote, and then you can reset it. This is the website where I find the approach, and there was another video where I saw the same approach. Both the links are in description guys, so you can check it out. And the fifth point in this video tutorial is that you have to press the right and the back button on your remote for 10 seconds, and then you can get the option to factory reset your TV. And then you have to install all the apps again, but yes, you get out of that sign in screen death window. I hope this video tutorial helped you guys, and in case it has helped or helped you in any way, please give a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks a lot. This is the link which I used, which I was showing in the video, and once you see this, after configuring all the settings, you will see this screen and you'll get your home screen. Thanks guys. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe.